Lean in. What if a microscopic orchestrator, a silent architect, holds the keys to your sharpest mind, your unyielding shield against illness, and your very metabolic blueprint? Imagine, if you dare, a secret so fundamental, yet so often overlooked, it could redefine your understanding of human potential. This isn't just about a nutrient, it's about a clandestine code, an ancient instruction set operating within you, right now. It's about vitamin B6, or pyridoxine, a molecule so unassuming, yet so profoundly powerful, it orchestrates processes vital to your very existence. They call it a vitamin, but it's more like a master key, unlocking the hidden chambers of your neural network, fortifying the ramparts of your immune system, and fine-tuning the intricate engine of your metabolism. This miniature marvel doesn't shout for attention, it simply works, often unnoticed, a silent partner in your most complex biological endeavors. Think of your brain, that pulsating universe of thoughts, memories, and emotions. It's not a static structure, it's a dynamic symphony, a relentless exchange of electrical and chemical signals. And B6? It's the lead conductor, the essential coenzyme that enables the synthesis of crucial neurotransmitters. Serotonin, the mood regulator that whispers contentment into your spirit. Dopamine, the reward chemical that drives your motivation. GABA, the calming agent that quiets the storms of anxiety, all require B6 to be precisely fashioned, to take their vital form. Without this unassuming architect, the neural pathways flicker, the signals falter, and the very fabric of your consciousness begins to fray. It's like discovering the secret language of your thoughts is encoded by a single, humble letter. Consider the insidious creep of cognitive fog, the frustrating slip of memory, or the inexplicable shifts in mood that can plague so many. These aren't always just the stresses of modern life, sometimes, they are the subtle cries of a system starved for its master key. B6 is there, behind the scenes, ensuring the delicate balance of excitatory and inhibitory signals, helping your neurons communicate with the precision of a master clockwork mechanism. It aids in the creation of myelin, the insulating sheath around nerve fibers that ensures rapid, efficient signal transmission, much like the unseen conduits that carry vital information across a vast, complex network. The clarity of thought, the quickness of wit, the emotional stability we often take for granted, these are, in part, tributes to the tireless work of pyridoxine, a silent guardian against cognitive entropy. It's a secret held within the very cells that allow you to read these words, to process this information, to even ponder its significance. But the conspiracy of B6 power doesn't end in the labyrinth of the brain. It extends to your body's most formidable defense force, your immune system. Imagine a highly trained army, poised to defend your borders against countless unseen invaders. B6 is the quartermaster, the strategist, ensuring this army is well equipped and ready for battle. It plays a pivotal role in the production of lymphocytes, particularly T cells, the elite commandos that identify and neutralize threats, whether they are rogue viruses or nascent cancer cells. Without adequate B6, your T cell numbers dwindle, their responsiveness wanes, leaving your defenses vulnerable, like a castle with crumbling walls and a depleted garrison. It's involved in the synthesis of antibodies, the precision-guided missiles of your immune arsenal, allowing your body to recognize and target specific pathogens with deadly accuracy. This isn't just about feeling healthy, it's about the very integrity of your biological fortifications, the unseen war fought daily within your bloodstream, where B6 is an indispensable general. And here's where it gets even more profound, touching upon the very essence of what you are built from. B6 is fundamental to protein metabolism, the intricate process by which your body breaks down the proteins you consume and rebuilds them into the thousands of unique proteins it needs. Every enzyme, every structural component, every hormone and neurotransmitter that isn't directly B6 synthesized still relies on the efficient processing of amino acids, the building blocks of life. Think of it as the ultimate biological constructor, taking raw materials and shaping them into the intricate components of your very being. It's involved in transamination and decarboxylation reactions, fancy terms for the biochemical alchemy that transforms one amino acid into another, or strips it down to its functional core. This allows your body to reconfigure its protein resources, making what it needs from what it has. It also plays a crucial, though rarely acknowledged, role in gluconeogenesis, the process by which your body can create glucose from non-carbohydrate sources, ensuring a steady supply of energy even when fuel is scarce. This tiny molecule is a master architect of your internal structure, a silent engineer of your physical form. Now, for one of those truly arcane secrets. Did you know B6 is essential for the synthesis of heme, the iron-containing component of hemoglobin, meaning without it, your blood literally can't carry oxygen efficiently, leaving your cells gasping for air? Imagine a single molecule dictating the very breath of your internal universe. The red color of your blood, the life-giving oxygen transported to every cell, every tissue, every corner of your intricate biology, all orchestrated, in part, by this unassuming vitamin. Its silent work ensures that the very oxygen you breathe finds its way to where it's desperately needed, fueling the fires of life. This isn't merely a supporting role, it's a foundational pillar upon which the entire circulatory system depends. The clandestine nature of B6 extends to its ubiquity, yet its often underestimated power. Where does this secret ingredient lie hidden? It's not in exotic elixirs or obscure compounds. It's in the everyday, the mundane, the very foods many take for granted. Poultry, for instance, a staple of diets worldwide, is a potent vessel for pyridoxine. That chicken breast, so often seen as just a source of protein, is a treasure trove, silently delivering the keys to your cognitive function and immune strength. Then there are bananas, nature's perfect energy snack. Beyond their potassium and quick sugar, they guard a secret stash of B6, ready to fuel your neurotransmitter production and support your metabolic dance. And potatoes, the humble root vegetable, often maligned by fad diets, are quietly brimming with this essential coenzyme, providing a surprisingly robust dose alongside their complex carbohydrates. These are not just foods, they are the natural vaults, the concealed conduits through which this powerful orchestrator enters your system, disguised in the familiar. Here's another glimpse into its hidden mastery. B6 plays a crucial role in preventing homocysteine buildup, a compound linked to cardiovascular risk, acting as a quiet guardian of your heart's highways against unseen threats. Homocysteine, a metabolic byproduct, can become toxic in high concentrations, damaging blood vessel walls and contributing to plaque formation. B6, alongside B12 and folate, acts as a crucial detoxifier, converting this potentially harmful compound into harmless amino acids. It's a silent, internal street sweeper, clearing the pathways, ensuring the smooth flow of life through your veins and arteries. This isn't just about brain health or immunity, it's about the very longevity of your core, the sustained beating of your heart, the unhindered flow of energy and nutrients throughout your entire being. This preventative power, often unseen and uncelebrated, is a testament to B6's far-reaching, intricate web of influence. Consider the metabolic dance it performs with your liver, the body's grand chemical factory. B6 is involved in glycogenolysis, the breakdown of stored glycogen into glucose, ensuring that your muscles and brain have a ready supply of fuel during exertion or periods of fasting. It helps synthesize non-essential amino acids, converting one type into another, giving your body flexibility and resilience in its protein economy. This constant rearrangement, this dynamic repurposing of metabolic resources, is enabled by the precise, catalytic action of B6. It's not just a vitamin, it's a biochemical alchemist, transforming substances, creating new possibilities within your cellular landscape, a hidden hand guiding the very essence of your internal transformations. And here's the final, ancient whisper from the depths of its history. Pyridoxine was originally isolated from yeast and rice bran, ancient powerhouses of nutrition, hinting at its fundamental, primordial importance in sustaining life across diverse biological kingdoms. This isn't a modern discovery, a synthetic marvel. This is a molecule whose significance was recognized in the very staples that nourished civilizations for millennia, a testament to its deeply ingrained role in the machinery of life. From the humble yeast that ferments our bread to the staple grain that feeds billions, B6's presence speaks to its fundamental, universal requirement, a silent, unbroken chain of biological necessities stretching back through time, echoing across species, right into the core of your own existence. This isn't a new secret, it's an old one, rediscovered, understood anew. The most surprising revelation, the true climax of this conspiracy, is not what B6 does, but what it represents. Imagine, then, that this microscopic molecule, quietly orchestrating life, is not merely a vitamin but a fundamental language spoken within the deepest chambers of your being. It's a secret script dictating the very essence of your existence, from your first conscious thought to the silent beat of your heart, a testament to an unseen, unfathomable design. It embodies the breathtaking complexity and elegant precision woven into the fabric of reality itself, revealing that the universe's grandest secrets aren't always found in distant galaxies, but within the infinitesimal wonders that compose you. This tiny key unlocks not just cellular pathways, but a profound understanding of the interconnected artistry of life, hinting at an intelligence beyond human comprehension, playing out in every single one of your cells, every millisecond of your existence. This humble molecule, this pyridoxine, is a constant, unyielding whisper from the universe itself, reminding us that the most extraordinary power often resides in the smallest, most overlooked elements. It is a living testament to the intricate, hidden beauty of your own biology, a silent orchestrator of your cognitive prowess, your immune fortress, and your very metabolic being. This is the truth they don't explicitly tell you in the health headlines, the quiet power that underpins your vitality. And this, my friends, is the secret orchestrator I spoke of, the microscopic key unlocking the very essence of your mind, your defenses, your metabolic blueprint, vitamin B6. The unseen symphony plays within you, if only you listen.